How to transfer from Bybit to MetaMask. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your MetaMask wallet right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the receive button. Once in the receive button, you can just go ahead and click on copy address and you should be good to go. You have to make sure that you are inside the correct network right here. And right after, we want to head over to your Bybit account right here. Inside your Bybit, you want to head over to your assets, and from here you can then go ahead and click on withdraw. Now after clicking on withdraw, you will now be prompted to the screen right here. You have a 24 hours withdrawal restriction notice, and from here you can just go ahead and put out the address that we got from MetaMask, and you want to put it inside the withdraw section inside Bybit right here. Unfortunately, I don't have that option as of the moment because my account on Bybit isn't verified yet. You can just go ahead and leave out the address, receive address from MetaMask, and from there you will be able to transfer from Bybit to MetaMask. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.